What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and of course another video. Today we're back at Springy Performance and back on the dyno with the E36. It's kind of like deja vu, and that's because we were here 2 weeks ago and we blew the car up. We blew the head gasket on the 6-cylinder and had just a bunch of troubles with that other engine. So we've put a new engine in and now we're going to go again for some power figures. I'm nervous of course, but I'm also pumped. The guys are behind me getting the car ready on the dyno. So once we're set up on the dyno, we're going to go for some power runs, and it's as simple as that. So fingers crossed that it all holds up. This engine's fresh as hell, so don't want to make massive power. Anything around 250 to 270 kilowatt and we will be happy. We just want it to be reliable. Dan's just currently getting the fuel and we're right through the ranges before we try and make power. So at the moment he's making like 189 kilowatt on 7 pound, but he's just smoothing out the fueling first. And we'll start winding up the boost a little bit to make a little bit more power. Just thought I'd explain to you guys so that the numbers you're seeing on the screen, obviously not reflective of the numbers that we will make eventually, but you have to go through the process of obviously loading it up, getting the fueling right so that it runs as smoothly as possible. And then we go for power. Alright, so there we have it. The dyno tune is done. The car survived, which is amazing. Very, very happy. And as you saw, we got really good numbers out of it. 280 kilowatt at 12 psi. Very happy. Now there's a couple of things that we did throughout the dyno tune that gave us a bit more power, which was quite surprising. So I'm running the KDFI ECU. I had the Vanos plugged in, and I've always had the Vanos plugged in, assuming the ECU controls the Vanos. But Dan, the tuner, at one point was kind of weirded out by the fact that we weren't making as much power as he thought we would. So he asked me to unplug the Vanos. As soon as I unplugged the Vanos and we run it up, we made like another 30-40 kilowatt and a bunch more torque. So super interesting. Obviously, the ECU that we have does not control the Vanos, or we haven't set it up properly to control the Vanos. So having the Vanos unplugged, more power, more torque, which is really cool. I've always had it plugged in, so I've always been making less power than I could have been making, which is interesting. A huge shout out to Dan from Springy Performance. Did an amazing job. Yeah, 280 kilowatt. The thing's a beast. Let's hope that the gearbox stays together now, because I'm only running the Getrag gearbox. But we've got Drift Masters this weekend, which I'm really excited about. Make sure you come down if you're in South Australia. Say g'day. The top prize for that obviously is a full sponsored pro drive at World Time Attack in Sydney in a couple of months. So we're going to be pushing really hard for that, but just stoked to have a car that is finally running. Hopefully going to be competitive. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at @itsmikeLake. We've got T18 episodes coming up. We've got 280ZX episodes coming up. So thank you guys for the support, and we'll be seeing you in the next video. Peace.